Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to make a super easy chocolate overload cake. Grab yourself a cake drum and add some ganache to the centre to stick your cake onto. I've got two 7-inch chocolate cakes, each cut in half to make 4 layers. Add your filling of choice. I've just whipped up some chocolate buttercream, then continue to stack your cakes and the filling. Then roughly crumb coat the outside. You just want to cover all the sponge to seal it in. Let this firm up a little. Now you've seen me using this on ganache before. I'll link it in the iCard above. But it also works for buttercream. It will give us straight sides and top and make it level. Don't worry if you don't have one, a scraper will work just as well. I'll leave a link below to a genuine pro froster. There are lots of fakes out there that are super flimsy. Now add a second layer of buttercream. Doesn't have to be neat as it will be scraped clean. Run your pro froster around the sides and it will take the excess with it. Fill in any gaps with buttercream and repeat. You can also clean up the top with a quick sweep of buttercream, but all this will be covered with ganache anyway, so don't worry too much. Next you'll want some goodies to decorate with. I've got a box of Maltesers, although have you noticed they're getting less round? All these were from Home Bargains by the way, love that shop. We've got matchmakers for a bit of height. These are knobbly chocolate sticks that you can get in various flavours. These are chocolate wafer rolls. I think you pronounce it Ravello. These add a bit of extra height and interest with the swirl pattern. Don't forget to head to the biscuit aisle too. You can pick up some interesting bits. I'm not going to attempt this name, but these are chewy biscuits with knobbles on for texture. These would look good painted too in metallics. A bag of magic stars, because who doesn't like those? Again, a bit of interest with them being star shaped. And this honeycomb bar was literally 89p. Why make chocolate slabs to make shards when you can buy one of these already flavoured and chop it up with a knife in 2 seconds? And voila, done! Now you want some ganache for your drips. This is 2 part dark chocolate to 1 part cream, and it's been added to a sauce bottle. Again, I'll link everything below. You just want to have your ganache warm enough that it's runny and you can hear it move inside the bottle when you shake it, very much like ketchup. Hold the nozzle on the edge and give it a squeeze. A long squeeze will create long drips and a short squeeze will create short drips. Once you've gone all the way around, dump some on the top and carefully spread it out with a knife to meet the edges. Then add your chocolate. Firstly, start with the shards. They can be a bit wobbly to insert, but that's because the ganache is still runny. You can always support them with some matchmakers. Then add some more chocolate sticks around them. I've started with the larger pieces and worked my way down through the biscuits and then Maltesers and stars. Just add them wherever you like. Now we want to cover that board. No one likes bare boards. Empty out the rest of your ganache and spread it up to the cake and the edge of the drum with a knife. Add some more pieces to the board, and finally, if you want some extra texture, you can add some smaller chocolate crisp pearls all over the cake and board. And that's it, a super easy, quick chocolate cake for any chocoholic. It's quicker to decorate it than it is to bake it and wait for it to cool. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave me a comment below or consider sharing it. Don't forget to subscribe to see what comes up next week. Thanks guys, bye!